be showing you my puppet bin, my plushie and puppet bin in my new walk-in closet. It's like in my walk-in closet. See, oh yeah, I also redesigned it. Stuff, there are my shoes, my Adidas, my Vans. These are gonna be the ones that I wear the most, my high tops and my Adidas, my Van, and these are the ones for like when I don't need to wear these. These are the fancy shoes that I wear for like weddings or funerals or just whatever for fancy stuff, banquets, open houses, I guess, I don't know. Then you got those two short top Vans. So it's up there, so I'm going to take them down and then show you. So I'm going to start off with the big ones. This is the giant monkey one. There's the giant bear. So those are the giant ones. Oh, I forgot to grab the other bin. I'm so sorry, there are two bins that I have to grab. So you saw the big ones. Then let's go to this one. There's the lion one. There's Buckbeak, my boy Buckbeak from Harry Potter. We got Phantom Foxy. This Furbaka thingy that I got a couple Christmases ago. Panda. Is it a panda thing? What I did is at first it was a plushie, but then I found out that I could actually make it a puppet because I found out that there was actually a way to do that. Because there's this little hole where you could put the cotton in. And I found out that there was some torn up strings in there, and then there's no blocking for the hand, so I make the head move and stuff. It's kind of like a normal puppet. This is a plushie / puppet, mostly puppet. Then you got normal Foxy. The eye patch is broken, so I'm gonna fix that sometime, sew it back up. And here's to the next bin. Got this little tiger thingy, which its eyes can open up and stuff. You can open the mouth. That's kind of a puppet, but I need to have so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attach a string to it to do it. This is a puppet / character, because you put your hand in it and cover your hand up, and you do that. Then there's this monkey here. So you got a big monkey and a small monkey. Then there's a tabby cat and a black cat. So I moved in here a couple months ago in summer of 2018. And so I have more plushies coming on the way. It's because they're in the storage place and that kind of stuff. And I have a lot more. And I'm also going to order more puppets and more plushies for my videos. So I'm going to post a plushie video today. But all I need is some ideas. It's going to be today or tomorrow, but if anybody could tell me some, in the comment section, give me some ideas, of what I should post. So just give me some ideas of what plushie videos I can do. I'm having a couple of ideas, and also shout out to Super Mario Logan, and Super Luigi Logan and Tito Totter. Go check their channels out because I got inspired by them because of their cool plushie videos. So that was the puppet bin video. I hope you enjoy it. And goodbye.